Hello guys! Pupunta na naman kaming superstore.
Welcome to my guys.
Pupunta na naman kaming superstore. Mamimili lang kami ng konti. Kasi kulang na kami sa supplies.
Bili kami ng kotse.
Sige, see you later. Magkano yan? Papaya?
Eggs,
$1.88
flakes.
per pound.
I don't know.
Ganda ng mushroom mo. White na white.
Not there.
But they're on the list.
How much for the banana? 69 per pound. Beef steak. Malalaki tong tomato eh. Pang mga hamburgers. Off season. Oh. Yan. No. The box,
Oh.
the box. Yan.
Isa lang?
Isa lang?
Why was the ice cream terrified at the haunted house?
Wow.
Because he was ice screaming.
Ice creaming? What do you mean?
I'm terrible at making these jokes.
Get to?
Yeah, it's another one. The same thing. Same.
Oh. Spaghetti.
Yeah, it became red and red, no, red and red.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the meat section. And
Oh,
how much? 15 per pound. Oh, there's mackerel, oh. Wow, for $7. Mura na yan. Yeah, 30% off. This one here, 30%. $9.93 less 30%. Chicken, $11. Oh, okay na yan. Going to international. So, look for pancit canton. Where's the pancit canton?
Hindi nila natin yung kulay-pula.
we must look.
Oh, there.
There
Get,
is.
get two. Two pancit cantons. It's, how much is the pancit canton? $3.49.
Well, like $3.50.
Yeah, so approximately. Flakes. It's $6.29. I'll get one.
Did you hold it?
Yeah. I'll get one. Ano yan?
$1.99.
$1.99. Eh, spicy yan eh. Liquid seasoning. Oh. Sesame oil. Oh, $2.99 pa sale. Pork, beef, at chicken. $2.99.
Oh, wait, no, there's two. Oh, wait, there's more. Never mind.
One, ubos na.
Man, this is really cracking me up.
Pizza.
We had an entire breakfast today.
$1.99.
I mean.
Oh. Hi guys, pauwi na kami ulit. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung magkano ang nabili namin. Okay? Bye! Hi guys! So, nakauwi na kami galing grocery, galing superstore. So, ito yung nabili namin. Ito, so, $83.59 ang nabili namin kanina at superstore. Yan, so, yan. Hi guys! Umorder ako dito sa bagong restaurant na malapit sa amin, yung The Filipino Joint. So, ilalagay ko yung link niya sa description ko. So, kung malapit kayo, nasa Suri kayo, at malapit lang kayo dito sa may King George. So, nandun, malapit siya sa 108 King George, yung The Filipino Joint. So, see? Wow! Dalawa in-order ko, isa pa. So pa. Wow! Taray. Saka ito yung may kasama ano, ito? Spring rolls. Yan. So, pag malapit kayo, order na kayo doon. Punta kayo, pwede kayong magpa-order Uber Eats or pick upin nyo or kumain kayo sa restaurant nila. So, bye!